Hey folks! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset the oil change light on the 2017 to 2024 Chrysler Pacifica. There are 3 different ways we can possibly reset the oil light on this car. You can do either or just use the gas pedal, or you could have gone to the cluster menu to do it. So let's go through the first way. In this section, I'll guide you to reset the oil change light by using the accelerator pedal. So let's go see together how this task is done. Step 1. Turn the ignition on by hitting the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Step on the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds, and the oil life will be reset. Once you're done, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the second method. Okay, next we will show you how to reset this oil life through the cluster menu. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, Step 1. Press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Press either the up or down button to get to the vehicle info menu. Step 3. Scroll to left or right to have it on the vehicle information showing oil life. Step 4. To reset it, you just gotta hold the OK button down for a few seconds till it changes to 100% and you're done. If these 2 methods do not solve your problem, try this method. Step 1. Push the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the up or down button to get to the vehicle info menu. Step 3. Scroll to the left or right to get the oil life menu. Step 4. Depress the gas pedal 3 times, and the oil life will be reset. So that's it, and you're all done. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. And if you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps me out, and I'd appreciate it. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day.